Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to shin t. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have the s equals to cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here, and the s will change by this one. So we know that sin t square plus 1 will change by cos t square. This one we have cos t. So cos t and cos t we have cos t square. Now we have the formula in here. Cos t square equals to cos 2t plus 1 over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. Now we put number 2 go outside. Next, the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equal to arcsin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.